So are your LinkedIn messages secretly getting blocked without you even realizing it? That's what I'm going to go through in this video. Now, this is a problem that I've seen happening more and more recently to a lot of people using LinkedIn to send direct messages to people with links to their website, or maybe going to one of their marketing funnel landing pages or something like that. So here's an example of one type of message that got blocked by LinkedIn. And I'm going to block out the names just for privacy reasons, but you can see here that this person connected with me and then he connected with me on Sunday, and then on Monday, so a day later, he sent me a link to his website with some text around that as well. But you can see it says that this message may contain unwanted or harmful content. And this is what I mean by LinkedIn blocking messages. Now, what's interesting about this is that this person, or if this happens to anyone, that LinkedIn has blocked when sending URLs to their website, the person doesn't actually know that they've been blocked, or that their message is being blocked when it gets to the other user, or to the other person, such as me in my case on LinkedIn. So this person doesn't know that his message got blocked. And this is a big problem, because if this is happening to you, you could be sending out messages to people, and if you're not getting a good response, you could think, oh, maybe my message is wrong. But actually what's happening is LinkedIn is blocking your message. So first of all, how can you know if this is happening to you? First thing I recommend that you do is send the message that you're sending out to people. Send this message as a test to one of your friends, and then ask them if the message is coming up with this message here that's showing that it's basically being blocked by LinkedIn. So that's the first thing you can do to just double check that your message is being blocked or not by LinkedIn. The second thing that you can do to prevent this, and by the way, if you're already one of my clients and you're part of my training program, the Sales Accelerator, which I'll include a link where you can learn more about that. But if you're one of my clients, you don't have to worry about this, because the problem with your messages getting blocked, it happens when you send people a message with a link to your website without having a conversation with someone first, which is the complete opposite way that I recommend to clients to do things. So even if you're watching this video right now, and even if you're not a client, what I would recommend that you do is whenever you're sending out LinkedIn messages to people to try and get new business, you need to make sure that you have a conversation with someone first. So what I recommend to clients who are using LinkedIn to get more clients and more business is that once they connect to someone on LinkedIn, they don't send them a link to a video or to their marketing funnel or anything like that first. What they do first is they start a conversation, and they actually ask someone if they want to see a video or see something like some sort of free piece of content that they've created. You actually ask them first if they want to see it. And then when they reply back yes, then you send people a link to your marketing and sales funnel or to your video. And if you do it the other way, where you just send people a link first, what happens is that it increases the chances that LinkedIn's software and algorithms will automatically flag it as spam. And it also increases the chances that users will mark it as spam, because they haven't asked to see any links to your website or anything like that. So always make sure you ask people first. Don't spam people links on LinkedIn. Start a conversation first. Ask if they want to see a video, which is what I recommend to all clients. Ask if they want to see a video. And then when they reply yes, then you can send a link. Okay. And if you'd like to learn more about this process and how we use LinkedIn to generate leads, and how you can do the same thing to generate leads in a way that actually starts real conversations with people and builds up real relationships with people, then what I recommend that you do is sign up to the free masterclass training that I've recorded. And again, I'll include a link in this video so you can check it out. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.